Alright, well, as you guys saw, we've wrestled this behemoth back in. I gotta put the cross member back under, but as of right now, it's in. So, put the cross member back up, clean up a little bit, and then take care of some little details. But she's in. Alrighty guys, so I'm going to end off this video right here. Just going to be taking care of the little details like the hoses, the crank pulley needs to go back on, tensioner, belt, fan clutch, wire harness, all that. So once I get this back up and running and all that, I got the valve covers, like I said. They're going to be the same color shade blue as that. So, but as a general inspection, that's basically what's going to happen. So like I said, I'm going to end up the video here. If you like what you see, give me a like, follow, share this with somebody if you feel like they can use the information. Other than that, I'm just here to make fun or have fun times making videos for you guys. So like always, thank you. Have a good day.